Little Big Planet.
Yeah, a Little Big Planet texture pack
Oh God.
for Minecraft.
Disgusting. Could have had good games. Nope.
Could be a good
Make
game.
Make my Minecraft guy look like Steve. Look like Sackboy.
Sackboy.
That's
Actually,
what he's called. He made from Little Big Planet.
Oh, it was a
Yeah.
Minecraft texture pack of Little Big Planet. I got it now.
It's so Mass Effect 2.
Okay.
No, go down to I.
It's a new version of you. It's not that view.
Click on it.
It's a
Yep,
new
there it is.
viewer of a viewer of a viewer. That's a lot of viewers that you can make for turning eights.
Add-ons.
The add-on super file. I get it.
City.
It's
It's not that
Fuel.
disgusting.
Y'all don't know how to work.
It makes them even clearable.
Country filled in cities,
That's-
and y'all just wandering around
there it is.
digging holes.
I've been working on a baseball stage.
You are.
Yeah.
Oh God!
I
it's
already
the
built
guy-
like an arena.
It's the
So
guy.
Ooh,
It's the evil guy from the
Go
first
to
game.
water park.
It should be the evil guy from the first game. You're absolutely right.
plenty of bees
Thank you.
already.